will invite Egypt to be followed by Iceland. Egypt, you have the floor.
Thank Mr. Chair for your effort and support. I would like to thank and congratulate the Secretary General, Mr. Feder, and the IOC Secretary under his leader for highly professional and potential progress for IOC activity under stress of low finance. Egypt full support for the IOC and the visual mission, especially within the framework of United Nations Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development. We stand at a defining moment of ocean, coast, and marine ecosystem. The Ocean Decade is not just a call to action, it is a global commitment to unlock the transformative power of ocean science to achieve the sustainable development goal. Egypt recognizes the critical role that the IOC plays in leading this charge and translating ambitions into the impact. As an African coast nation with strong to both the Mediterranean and Red Sea, Egypt is uniquely aware to immense potential and vulnerability of our ocean space. We believe that science-based ocean government is the foundation for protection marine biodiversity, enhance climate resilience, and supporting sustainable blue economy, partially for development native across Africa. Egypt strongly supports IOC UNESCO initiative Tiller for Africa under the Ocean Decade through many activities for African countries. These efforts are visual for building scientific capacity, transforming technology, and ensuring that African voice data priority are central global ocean action. Egypt committed for strengthening the regional and continual collaboration on marine research and ocean observation, hosting and supporting knowledge sharing platforms through many training programs will be done through in Egypt for support Africa. Advancing the role of youth and the women in science, it is a main priority toward Egypt. As ensure that African countries are not left behind in the global movement toward the sustainable ocean future. Egypt believes that working together as a scientist, policymaker, educator, and citizen to ensure that Ocean Decade become a true decade for opportunity for Africa. Egypt stands with IOC UNESCO strongly for save our ocean and for our continent. Thank you.
Thank you, Egypt.